What's up, everybody? I hope you guys are having an awesome, wonderful day. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you're new to the channel, my name is Saad Basim. I'm here. I hustle, I bustle to make that money, whether with Amazon FBA and anything that they can flip my products with. So today I want to show you a shipment that's going out and some products that I bought to replace what I've shipped, and also some kind of stuff that I did to the storage unit. If you guys know, I just basically flip products on Amazon by buying stuff and flipping them, and also I have a storage unit that, you know, that's where I operate from, as you know, minimize my my overhead and everything. So let's go ahead and see what I have done so far, and I'll show you the shipment. Last video you guys saw all the products that were in the on the tables. Now they're all boxed up, and I'll show you what else I have. So let's go ahead and do it. So if you can see, guys, what's up, girls?
What's up?
Having a good day?
Yeah.
We're hustling?
Yeah.
All right.
We hustle to make that money.
Yeah, what do we do? Hustle to make
that money.
Yeah. All right, so these are the boxes. Yeah, Meg is doing some kind of, you know. So if you see all these boxes, we have 20 boxes that are going to be shipped out today. They're almost 400 and how much?
77.
400, how much?
477.
Units.
Oh, units, yeah.
477 units. And how many SKUs around?
I think 120 or something.
120 SKUs. This is very important, guys, for you to track, guys, your SKUs, not only your units, because you can have 2,000 units of the same kind of SKU, but you're not going to be able to sell the same kind of sales velocity. So it's very, very important for you to spread out your SKUs, having a lot of SKUs and having fewer units for each SKU, which is going to help you to help your sell-through rate and be able to sell more units per day, which is very important. So if you see this, with all of them being all this stuff now, actually the guy's coming now. He's supposed to be in his way. So if you see that, all these boxes are going to be going away, and I'm still full of stuff. I organized a little bit of things. You know, I had two of those shelves here. I moved them there, and hopefully just to have more space. I still packed, if you see, guys, I already did some organization a bit. If you see all the stuff, I'm still have a lot of things, even that I shipped all the stuff. But I will see all the stuff that were here, I actually shipped them, and I have these stuff that actually I need to ship them, but I didn't have space to work, because if I don't have enough space here to work, have boxes. So once I ship that, I'll see what's up. So the guy is here. Maybe, guys, I'll come. The guy is here. All right, he's backing up. You want me to move the truck? Hold a second. Sorry, guys. Just to give him some space. All right. Let's go ahead and see what do we have. Oh, guys, I'll talk to you in a bit. Until I finish, I'm gonna show you whatever I got here. There's a lot of stuff. It's done?
Yeah.
How are you guys doing? Did you guys help today?
Yeah.
All right, so excited with all the stuff is done. Now we just need to organize and start getting stuff.
Space there is.
Yeah, that's why we had to ship it. So we had to ship everything, guys. And now it's basically, we just need to organize. I'm not supposed to source, but today I want to source. So I'm gonna show you what I have got as well in my truck. At the same time, if you see, guys, it's all full. If you guys, as I told you, have a lot of Christmas stuff here, and also here. See all the Christmas advent calendars, Elf on the Shelf. You see, I still have packed full of stuff. So hopefully I'm prepared for Christmas. See all this stuff. I have here some stuff as well. Elf and Chef books. I have some Legos. A lot of things is to move. These actually, the listing is not there. So I'm stuck with a lot of them. I get them for a good price, but stuck. So even if you have good special, but if you cannot sell them, they're useless. And yeah, and I have some stuff here. If you guys see, I have some stuff seasonal. I'm actually working on to get like a seasonal shelves, like one for summer, one for winter, whatever it is, so you'll be able to be ahead of your inventory all the time. But let me go ahead and show you in the truck what we have. So ready?
Yep.
Open up.
Open sesame.
Ta 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 ta.
It's so full.
It's all packed to the rim, to the back. So let me show you. No, straight up. Up. You see? All of them backed. I just went to Walmart, and me going to Walmart because we just wanted to go see what's up, and they had big shelves full of specials. So we went and we got all these very good.
With like 3 carts. Yeah.
The 3 carts, yeah. You gotta hustle, right?
With a lot of carts.
But make that.
Money.
Yeah. All right, guys. So let me show you a little bit here. What is worth it? Yeah, it's supposed to be worth it. So if you see, guys, I have a lot of stuff here. What's the most important that I did is basically they're all different SKUs, which is very important. Now I'm very focused on SKUs. I want to increase my amount of SKUs that I have in Amazon, which is the most important. And after that, I'll be working on getting more units. So now I'm just building. Now is the best time for you guys to actually go and source, because all the stores are preparing for Christmas. So I'm telling
Good deal.
yes, and they're emptying their shelves for the new stock, so they have a lot of specials. So now is the time for you to build, especially as I digressed a bit. So what I did is basically they have a lot of specials, they have a lot of products that on discount, so it's good time for you to go ahead and do it, especially as back to school. A lot of sales are very slow. If you see everywhere across the board, it's very slow sales, which is normal. That's the time of the year. People are spending a lot of money on supplies. They don't have the money to go ahead and buy some stuff. But when mid of October, November starts, you're gonna see the sales start picking up a lot. Doesn't mean you're not gonna sell anything, but you're not gonna sell the same kind of volume right now. But now is the time to build your inventory. So it's very important for you guys to build your inventory right now. Do not get discouraged because you have slow sales, because now is the time to build your inventory. When Christmas comes, you want to be ready. Last Christmas, we were hustling like day and night just to get supplies, and last year we made over 450 to almost $500,000 in sales. So this was a lot, but now this year I hope I'm gonna be even making more. Why? Because I have a lot of inventory in the storage unit, which means we're gonna be more prepared ahead of our inventory, which is very important. Inventory is very important, guys. I cannot emphasize it more. You'll be ahead of the game. Once you do that, you'll be able to build on it. So for example, I'm thinking about, hey, I want to have 1,000 SKUs. Once I have 1,000 SKUs, I want to maintain that 800 to 1,000 SKU all the time. That's going to give me consistent sell-through rate, which is very important. Like a daily sales is going to be consistent. That's why I'm telling you, you need to be ahead of your inventory. So me going back 5 months, going on vacation, go see my family, which is the best thing I've done. Now coming back, I need to build all that back again. But because I have inventory, because I have sourcing a lot of stuff, I know exactly what I'm doing. I know I'm gonna get back again there, but it is what it is. So guys, I hope you like that video. Hopefully the next video is going to be about what I have bought exactly. And if you have any questions, leave it in the comment. Please, if you find value, leave a comment, like the video, subscribe if you want to see more of those videos. Hopefully I'm going to be more consistent, and see you in the next time. Take care, everybody.